we'll guide you through how to create a shared folder in Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website. You'll need to log in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on the New button on the top left side of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Folder. A new window will pop up asking you to name your folder. Enter the name you want and hit Create. Your new folder will appear in your Drive. Next, right-click on the folder you just created and choose Share from the context menu. A sharing settings window will open. Here, you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the folder with in the Add People and Groups field. Below this, you'll see a drop-down menu that lets you set the permissions. You can choose whether they can view, comment, or edit the contents of the folder. Once you're done, click Send, and the people you've added will receive an email invitation to access the folder. You can also click Copy Link to share the folder link directly via message or other platforms. Remember that anyone with the link can access the folder depending on the permissions you've set. This is a great way to collaborate and share documents with friends, family, or colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.